Oh, geez, am I late? Oh, a bit too soon, not November the 1st, but I want to see you. FMF Uprising Music Festival. I'm Daryl Tombleson, and I proudly present to you, courtesy of South Pacific Global Productions, our associate producers. I do events at Skids Productions, the most incredible beachfront party in Fiji for the last 10 years. Not forgetting fantastic local entertainers, national, and our surprise artists coming in from Australia. Doors open at 12 noon, but family activities then. Music kicks in from about 1 p.m. until 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm even going to be a little bit crazy this year. I brought along a truck to give away. So have you not entered that text and win courtesy of General Motors, you're going to miss out on the opportunity to win up to $100,000 on the night in prizes with our 4x4 Jack's truck. We got music stalls, and you're lucky I'm not cooking tonight, by the way. Or then, so the food's going to be great. The drinks are icy cold. We've got all sorts of entertainers arriving. Tickets available at Ticketmax and at Uprising reception. So take care. We'll see you November 1st, FMF Uprising Music Festival, November. Here we go.